Hi, this scatter is called friend or foe. It's 7q. What do we have to do? Well, we have to create a function that takes a list of strings, and what we have to do is to filter out the names that have only 4 characters in it. How to go about that? Well, here we are. First of all, we have to iterate through the list, of course. So for name in X, let's print the names. Ryan, Kyron, Mark. And what we have to do is to access the length property, LAN, and then pass the name as an argument to it. So here we have the names and the according length. And we have to filter out the names with the length of 4 with a condition. So if the length of a name is equal to 4, then we have to do something. Let's append it to a new list, friends. So let's append the name, friends, and here we have to append it. And let's return the list. And there we have it, our friends. And yeah, you can do the same with list comprehension. Let me comment this out. It's the same principle, but in one line. So return name for name in X if the length of a name is equal to 4. Let's test it out. And there we go. I hope this has been useful. If it has been, please consider dropping a like and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.